In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a PayPal account, perfect for making money online. PayPal is one of the leading payment platforms globally, offering a secure way to send and receive payments, make online purchases, and manage your finances. Setting up an account is quick and simple, so let's get started. First, you'll need to open your web browser and head over to paypal.com. PayPal's homepage is easy to navigate, and you'll find a sign up button right on the main screen. Clicking this button will begin the process of creating your account. Once you've clicked on sign up, you'll be prompted to choose between two account options, personal or business. A personal account is ideal for most individuals, allowing you to shop online and send money to family or friends. On the other hand, if you're looking to conduct business transactions, such as selling goods or services, then the business account is more suitable as it offers additional features tailored for merchants. Choose the account type that best suits your needs by selecting the appropriate option and hitting next. The next step involves providing some personal details. This includes your email address, first and last name, physical address, phone number, and creating a secure password. It's essential to choose a strong password that you don't use elsewhere. This helps protect your financial information. PayPal has security measures in place, but taking an extra moment to ensure your password is robust will add an additional layer of security. After entering your information, PayPal will send you an email to confirm your email address. It's crucial to complete this verification step, as it will unlock the full functionality of your PayPal account. So, go ahead, head over to your email inbox, find the email from PayPal and click on the verification link. This step ensures that your email is correct and allows PayPal to communicate important information with you in the future. Once your email is verified, to start sending and receiving money, you'll need to link a bank account or a credit debit card to your PayPal account. Linking a bank account allows you to easily transfer funds between PayPal and your bank, while a linked card can expedite online purchases and serve as a backup funding source. Follow the on-screen instructions to input your banking details. PayPal uses encryption to keep this information secure. Finally, with your bank account or card linked and verified, congratulations, you are ready to use your PayPal account. You can now send and receive money, make purchases online, and manage your financial transactions with ease. PayPal's user-friendly interface makes it simple to navigate and keep track of your activities. Thanks for watching, and happy transacting on PayPal.